So today we're gonna see the concept behind the boss couplers in electrical. So what is a boss coupler and what are the purposes of using it? Let's discuss regarding this without wasting much time. Basically, a boss coupler is the combination of a circuit breaker and the isolator, an electrical substation that connects two bus bars each other. And the main functions of using the bus coupler are load transfers. That means load transfer means it moves the power from one bus bar to another for maintenance or fault recovery. The second reason of using it, redundancy. It provides the attractive power paths by ensuring the continuous supply if one source fails. And third reason is that maintenance means it isolates the sections for serving without shutdown, and the entire system will be safe. The bus couplers are normally used in the substations and low voltage panels, main distribution boards, and in industries also. So this is the basic regarding the bus couplers and what are the purpose of using the bus coupler in the industries as well as in the substations.